What up, y'all? It's your boy John. Just want to remind y'all at all times to be thinking about how you can improve the 4 or 5 most important areas of your life: mental, physical, spiritual, relational, financial, and it's probably another one I can't think of right now. But those main things, mind, body, and soul. The fun that you get to have while you're here. Make sure you focus on how you can better them things and enjoy life while you're here, but also prepare for your life after life. So when you think bigger than your life, it allows you to make certain decisions not based off right now all the time. You make more decisions based off legacy and off what you're leaving behind and what you're trying to create for your afterlife, whether you believe in heaven or hell. So it's a different mindset, but it's real, and it allows you to make the best type of decisions. And your whole life is made up of all the decisions you make throughout a long, long period of time. And the people who make good ones live a great life. The people who make better long-term decisions that are great over a long time live a great life. The ones who do the opposite don't live a great life. So make sure you focus on mind, body, and soul, how you can improve those things every single day, just a little bit at a time. Let's get it.